Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix PayPal not linking to your bank account. So basically I'm going to show you ways on how to fix this one. So first things first, you have to go to your wallet. You have to check bank account eligibility. Make sure your bank account supports electronic transfer with PayPal. PayPal only shows one account per bank account. So if your bank account is linked to another PayPal account, you'll need to remove it first. Number two, verify bank details. Double check the account number and routing number or SWIFT IBAN if international. Another typo will prevent linking. Number three, clear pending link attempts. If you tried linking multiple times, delete the pending bank account and try again. Go to wallet, link banks, remove, delete, and then re-add it. Number four, confirm with micro deposits. PayPal usually sends two small deposits to your bank within 2 to 3 business days. Check your statement, then confirm those accounts or amounts in PayPal to complete the link. Now you have also to check bank restrictions. Some banks account require you to enable ACH transactions or remove security restrictions. Call your bank to make sure they allow PayPal transfers. Lastly, contact PayPal support. If everything seems correct but still won't link, contact PayPal. Go to help, message us, call us, and explain the issue and provide your bank details for verification. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.